All right. Hey, Josh.
Hey
Merry
Derek,
Christmas.
you
Although
like this
it's
thing?
middle of August. Yeah, I don't know. What is it? It looks like a reindeer's antlers, but
It's a devil reindeer.
devil reindeer. Wow. But you look like a termite, actually.
A
Hanging
termite.
off. Yeah, I
Man,
don't
that's
know.
better.
Like those are termite mouths or something. Termite mouth or something. Yeah.
An ant.
Gosh.
It's like the
Like
you
an
know
ant,
the
yeah.
ant on Honey I Shrunk the Kids. Have you ever seen that
Uh-huh. Yeah,
movie?
yeah. I saw parts of it, but yeah, that looks like it. So when I have my parrot hat on, yeah, evidently we tied the last video again. So
You need like an eye patch, and you
I
need to say like "R, matey."
matey, you got to get off the boat. British British pirates. All right.
I don't have any words. I don't know what to say.
You don't know anymore. All right, that's
Why
fine.
he
Yeah,
has to be
we don't have to say
British?
anything except except next we can what we can decide is like who's gonna wear a hat next week. So let's find out. All righty, Josh, are you ready to decide your fate for next week? Here we have our Algodoo set up with three tree ramps,
Hmm.
and I've color coded them red, blue, and green. And you use your antlers or ant jaws to decide which one will be the winner, which one hits the pink wall first, if it even hits it. The problem here is I know the answer, so we'll have to go
Okay.
with whether you're right. If you're right, I lose. If you're wrong, you lose.
Okay. So this is almost like two of them are not even gonna hit the wall. I have this feeling.
Jeez, you know the answer somehow.
I feel like red is going to basically miss the circular part of the down ramp, and it's gonna get stuck trying to go up. It's not gonna have enough energy to get back up. So I'm gonna
Okay.
throw red out. I feel like blue is gonna be along the same lines. It's gonna come off too fast and it's gonna totally miss the triangle and just stop. So I'm gonna say green.
You're gonna go with green.
I'm going
Oh
with
man.
green.
Jeez.
I'm a little bit
Okay.
worried about green too, but I think it has the best chance.
Really? All right, we'll find out. Let's go. Boom.
What happened?
Okay. You got it right.
What happened to red? Why is it like stuck on the down ramp?
Oh, wait, you're right. Why did it get stuck there?
What
Uh,
happened?
there were two balls now. So I'm going to push the simulation up a little bit so that we can see red a bit better. Okay.
Why is
Oh,
it getting stuck?
yeah. Why did it get stuck? That's bizarre.
Is there like a piece of the circular ramp sticking up that you can't see? Can you zoom in on the red one?
Yeah, doing it now. Boom. Here he goes. Wow. That's a mystery.
And it separates into two balls.
Exactly. Okay, so you didn't predict that.
How am I supposed to predict that?
I
You
don't
don't even
know.
know what's happening and you made the simulation.
I mean, when I ran it, yeah, and how, and then suddenly another ball. No, this is
Oh
actually
no,
the
that's the green ball,
green.
right?
That's the green ball. Yeah, yeah. This one gets stuck there. Okay, that was a good analysis, Josh. And
So does
exactly
the
what
green
happened.
ball actually the one that wins?
Yes, the green ball actually is the one that
And the red
wins.
one never gets to the wall.
Yeah, but it actually does go. It's supposed to go down. I don't know what's blocking it. That's kind of bizarre.
But does it also it gets stuck like the blue one, right?
Yeah, it supposedly gets stuck like the blue one, but I don't know why is it stuck like that over there.
Mm.
Okay, good analysis. I'll give you the win, Josh.
What do you mean give? You're not giving anything. I earned that one.
You earned
That's
it.
some logical thinking right there.
I don't know. All right.
It's
That's
from
some pretty neat logical thinking, I'd say. Okay. But
it's the learning that's taken place over the last couple weeks, understanding how fast, how fast the ball goes down each ramp, and then just trying to understand what parts of the ramps is going to skip.
okay, yeah, that's good. I mean, like we've learned something from our ramp simulations, and I think that this is where it really pays off. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting smarter every week. See,
All right. And
now
that's
you
what
just have to keep pace.
I do keep pace, I think. At least I
And
try.
and
So
yet
so next
you're still going to be wearing a hat next week.
oh it's okay, I have another hat. Oh wait, did I wear this one already?
Yes,
I did.
you need to come up with a
Uh,
different one.
then I'm out of hats. I'll have to wear my wife's hat. It's okay. My wife's hat is not as pretty as yours.
Yeah, I like this one. I might have to start wearing this around town.
It looks nice. I mean,
Yeah, I think so.
it's the spirit, and
Yeah.
I think that we all need some of it in this pandemic time.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Yeah, yeah, that's the parrot saying Merry Christmas. Merry
Oh,
Christmas and get off my boat. Arg, arg, get off my boat. Walk the plank. And see you next week. And subscribe to our video somewhere. Which side? I don't know which side. Yeah,
Merry
but just
Christmas.
subscribe and no, Merry Christmas. Yeah. Yeah. Walk the plank.